The driver screen in PermiShare is where you store information and documents related to both your active and inactive driver pool. The driver screen is also used to register your drivers for access to the PermiShare mobile app, giving drivers instant access to permits and documents while on the road. Within the driver screen, users can utilize the import template to add drivers in bulk, and also export their list of drivers in a CSV format. The Grid Columns button gives users the ability to customize the types of information that is displayed in the main screen by simply selecting or unselecting each column name. Users can also use the Filter button to search for drivers by name, driver license number, status, active or inactive, country, state, driver's license class, and city. To add a driver, click on the Add Driver icon at the right-hand side of the screen and begin filling out the driver details. All fields marked with an asterisk are required fields. PermiShare requires you to enter in an active date to have a record of when each driver began working for your company. If a driver leaves your company, you can edit the driver record and add in an inactive date, which will show the driver as inactive in the main driver screen. We recommend that you never delete a record. Instead, move it to inactive so you can maintain the information and documents of drivers who are no longer employed. As a side note, when a driver is moved to inactive, they will no longer have access to the PermiShare mobile app. Adding documents is simple. Type in the name of the document, add an issue date and an expiry date using the calendar pop-ups, and locate the document on your computer. Issue and expiry dates are not mandatory fields and do not need to be included if they do not apply. The last step is to determine whether this document should receive app access. If this button is selected, this driver will receive access to that document in their PermiShare mobile app. Documents added to a specific driver are only available to that driver. If all required information and documents have been added, click on the Save button. Once saved, the driver will receive an email to set a password and download the PermiShare mobile app.